you go.
He's looking at it. You're in the way, Sarah.
Oh, she's fine. She's fine.
Okay.
Go!
He just yelled at him. Sounded like no.
Yep, we'll get you.
So
Yep.
he stopped.
Mommy will start working on yours.
Go for it,
You
Lou.
want some cake? Nummy, nummy.
He's gonna dive into it.
No one ever lets you do that, do they?
Go for it.
You can have some. Your kids are so neat.
No. All right, Hannah.
You get sugar today. Nummies. Do you want nummies? You want some more? He doesn't know what to make of this. Do you want more? We're going to get a piece.